Hi guys, and welcome back to Green Scene South Coast. My name's Nick and Happy New Year. It's our official first video of 2019 and it's going to be a really good year. I want to start with a coyote clip. It's actually the first time I ever saw a coyote and it happened yesterday on Saturday. Then me and Dina, my good friend, went thrifting and I'll show you some footage of that. And then I'm also going to show you what I got on Friday on the side of the road. And what I'm going to end up doing with that is I'm going to sand it and paint it. So I'll show you guys all the clips from those three things and then I'll wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. He's just staring at us.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
She doesn't even know what to do.
We can sit
Not even over there.
together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
That coyote yesterday was pretty insane, I must say. I was scared because it was kind of big. I really do. I like the white one better. I think that one's really pretty. But this one's pretty too.
No, but I don't like the white
You and me, meant to be
They're both awesome. The white one's pretty.
in the great outdoors,
Yeah. $30.
forever free.
Oh, that's so nice. You should totally get that.
I don't know if it's any of. And then it's round. It's like to hold like a tea light. All these boho things. Now the problem with this lamp I just bought is that the colors are all.
So this is the table here, and what I plan on doing with it is spray painting it all black. It's in pretty good shape, as you can see. I do think that with one color it would just make this table look so much better. There is a little bit of water damage on the top of the table here, you can see. I'm gonna just try to clean it up, maybe sandpaper and scrub this top part down, sand that up a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and spray paint it. And I think it's gonna look a lot better. It'll look great out here with some plants on it. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like. It's just sanding down the top. So I'm sanding this whole thing, and I think it's probably gonna get done tomorrow if the weather cooperates so I can paint it. So it is Sunday today, and we just picked up these two little lanterns from a flea market, Jeremy and I, after breakfast. We got both of these for 10 bucks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.